Exciting. Dash is getting ready to come out.
Oh, you gotta pop this.
Yeah, but it's attached too.
Oh, we gotta detach it then.
Now you can, okay, you did that, and then this has to come loose.
Now, I bet you we gotta do the same thing over there.
There's no thingy on that side, bud.
No, I think that one was under the
Oh,
dash.
it's underneath. You're right. You're right.
I think it'll come out now.
Now we gotta put the turbo over there. Then.
Fuck.
Where are we gonna put the nitrous fogger?
I'm gonna lose that.
It'll actually tuck in because you gotta hide it.
Mm-hmm.
That'll tuck in inside the fender apron on the passenger's, on the driver's side. Right about there. Right down in here.
I love
You can
plumbing
pull it now.
nitrous lines on the bottom of intake manifolds to where nobody can see it.
I take that back.
Yeah, you got
That was fun.
We gotta get.
Yeah, there.
Then be like, ooh, it's all motor, I swear. Hey, look at that, boys.
Okay.
Ooh, defroster duct.
It's made out of paper.
So we've got a couple of.
Hold that up like you just won something.
Disconnect here.
Yeah, and
There you go. That's going on the group.
Pardon? Does it need to?
There it goes. Yes, it goes.
Okay.
I'm amazed it hasn't totally disintegrated.
Yeah, I know.
I'm surprised. Yeah, it's just cardboard.
Yeah.
Crazy.
We have to.
Don't
work
look
with
at that. Don't
We
look
have
at
to
that
make
funny.
It work. It didn't disintegrate. It's
It's
still
solid.
there.
It's scary, but it's solid.
Well, we will restore that. Oh, you're not going to do it. They will not succumb to wiggling.
Okay. Well,
There we go. Here's what I was using.
where's the stick?
These guys.
Well, I can't hold it and do that. And
All
it
right,
won't.
Well,
This
here.
help? No, someone's got the stem.
There. Let
get
me
those
hold
over
it
there.
and you pull it.
I want to break the wires.
That sounded like a introduction
Like a
to,
something.
to a film. You hold it and I'll pull it.
You got to know when to hold them.
I can hold something.
JJ's gonna hold something. JJ's on it. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. I would do that.
Funny thing, Chuck, that's my favorite Kenny Rogers song.
What's a Kenny Rogers song?
It's Jimi Hendrix, not Kenny Rogers.
No one to hold him? No one to fold him? Oh, no, we were talking. Oh, in here, I'm sure it's Jimi Hendrix for sure. Or ZZ Top.
Excuse me while I kiss the sky.
I used to think it was Kiss This Guy until I was like 18. Because I was like, what? Okay, cool. Have fun with that. And then, oh, it's the sky.
This explains much. I just want you to know.
They're not coming out.
Up there it went.
I saw one of
think
these
you'll
in an
think it-
episode of Perry Mason today. Someone was driving one.
Oh, wow.
Actually, he drove one.
I knew from the grill. When I saw the grill,
You're like, I know where that is.
Did you get them or did they break?
I think they broke.
That's
Might have
okay.
been holding the wrong thing.
We'll solder. It's
I
fine.
had one on the little end and one on the big end.
And it broke?
I don't know what you're trying to do. Are you disconnecting wires?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we've got to disconnect the HVAC cables.
What is this guy?
In case of a nervous conference, which is one early first, you can have to
Probably for the antenna.
Oh no, the door. The door switch light.
Ah.
They
The
go all the way
door
over.
switch light. Oh, we don't need that.
It goes all the way over to your side.
Well, here.
Why don't you
got it?
They disconnect.
find a way to prop that up?
Believe me, I've done 100 of those.
I gave them up for Lent.
Door lights?
Yes.
I'll take that. I got you.
Come out that
Now you can pull that wire through.
There, that one's disconnected. What the hell is that?
Probably for the
Might be the, oh, no, I think it's a choke cable.
Ah, there you go.
So they have a manual choke?
Yeah, it's kind of like semi-automatic fuel injection. Or one-handed.
A lot of things I do are one-handed. Nothing. Nobody got that. Fuck.
I wasn't even hooked to anything.
JJ got it. He
He's
just
got one that's up
Goes
in here.
Ignore it, but
Yeah.
you can't ignore the ridiculousness.
It's over there somewhere.
Huh? Quiet in the back.
Here's my headlamp. You can let go of that. It's not going to
this
grab my
side will.
headlamp?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, there. That'll work.
I love these steel padded dashes.
I'm excited to see this come out.
Only somebody who was thoughtful enough. Jot that down for next time.
We better order weather stripping, door weather stripping too.
Ah, it's overrated.
Is it? Fine.
It's fine.
Stuff.
Yeah, that's all fancy boy stuff. We're downright regular guys here.
We be common folk.
Steel padded
Is
dashes.
that part of the vent?
Well, yeah, I think I can get it. I need a 5/16 or an 8mm thingamabob.
5/16. 5/16.
Thingamabob.
Thingy.
I might be able to get it with a.
Pliers.
I'm trying to see if I can get it with a.
There's a pair of pliers right here if you want to try it.
No, I don't want to get it with pliers. It looks like it'll accept a flathead. What the hell is a bunch of shit falling?
How could there be shit falling out of a 59 Ford dash that was in the junkyard for 20 years?
Oh, easy, mice.
Critters. Them there critters.
No, I think I got it.
Okay.
I think I got it.
We got more wires here too.
The little clip that just fell on the
Going
floor.
to the side.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll get that.
Oh, I know.
One of them is this. How did you do it on the other one?
Oh, what do you got? What do you got?
Yep, just like that. How'd you do it?
Hope we can save the upholstery.
Well, actually, the rears, which I don't know where they are anymore.
They weren't bad.
Yeah, they
weren't
weren't.
bad.
I know. I remember.
Oh, courtesy light maybe?
Yeah,
That's probably what that goes to.
up inside here.
And that's what I'm thinking.
We're down to just a couple of connections.
Two things.
Unhook this, it goes into.
Light switch,
That's undone.
which is where all of them would go.
That's where, there it is.
That's
That goes
undone.
off or not? Oh, maybe.
JJ's a trooper.
Courtesy of the dome lamp. Wire off.
Does this come out of?
AC?
Let me see.
No.
That should. Ready?
No.
Yep, there we go.
Oh, okay.
There's one more. You want to get this?
No, that doesn't.
That's
need to come
okay,
out.
yeah. That's okay.
And what's this one going to?
What do we got? Where are we at?
Oh, that's the high beam.
The high-low switch.
That's you're on that side. The high beam.
The button on the floor.
Yeah, on the floor.
Shit, boys. I think we're almost there.
It'd be a hell of a race car.
I don't know how
I know,
you can
right?
see in there. I can't.
I can't.
Tell you what. cable. Done. Okay. All this light switch shit. Okay. That's a cool shot.
Is it soup yet?
Got it? I'd leave it on there.
I just leave it on.
It's
I'll put it back on when we get it up.
Okay.
If we get it up.
well, boys. I think we're right there. Oh,
wait,
you got here.
what's
You got
this?
wires right here
God
coming
damn
out the
it.
firewall. Hold on. These guys. Those are the brake light. Oh no, those are the.
Is that on there? No, this has got a lot of shit on it. Oh,
There's
it's
a-
that loom. I know
There's
what
some
it
ballast resistor shit. Hold on.
is. Watch.
I'll try to push this through. That's on there.
Will those go through?
I'm trying to get them. I gotta try to
One at a
flex
time.
them one at a time. Yeah.
It's 55 Buicks that you jump off the car still going.
Oh, come on, it right there. Give it a little tug. I can get it. Let me push it with a screwdriver. Hold on.